Good morning, class. How are you? Yes, I'm so fine. So we are now studying our new topic, triangles, and we have discussed one two things here. Okay, what are triangles? Let us see this. And this is the introduction video. Today I'll explain what we have to actually read in this particular chapter. Okay. So I hope you all are coming to the classrooms. You are asking your doubts. You are getting clarified about all your doubts from your respective teachers in every subject. Okay. So here is that first topic. Okay, so that is okay, so here is that topic here, triangles. In that first we have to read about the type of triangles. Okay, we have to read about the type of actually triangle. Okay, how many types of triangles we are having. Okay, so see here, wait a minute. So here is our first slide. In that we will discuss about the type of triangles. Okay, so we have 6 type of triangles. Okay, on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. Okay, so we have these 6 type of. What on the basis of side? We have scalene triangle, we have isosceles triangle, we have equilateral triangle. Okay, as well as on the basis of their angles we have acute angles triangle, we have obtuse angle triangles, and we have right angle triangles. What are these triangles? We'll just come to see just now only. Okay, see here, first of all we discuss about our right triangle. It's a special type of triangle, so we are going to discuss about right triangle. Okay, so we are going to discuss about our right triangle here. See, okay, see here. So right triangle is a triangle which one angle is 90 degree. Okay, so in the right triangle, the longest side, triangle's longest side is called the hypotenuse. Okay, so there is the hypotenuse and this is the longest side. Okay, other two are called leg of the right angle triangle. Here is that, see, the leg is written here. So this is called a right angle triangle, and in this we use the Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem? So Pythagoras theorem is that h square is equal to p square plus b square. Okay, so this can be your p, this will be your b, and the hypotenuse is h only. So that is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we are going to discuss these triangles one by one. Okay, so our first triangle is, our first topic of discussion of the triangle is, here is that okay, see here, acute angle triangle. Our first triangle is acute angle triangle. And what is acute angle triangle? Just see here. Acute triangles is a triangle whose all angles are acute. Whose all angles are acute. Angle A, angle B, angle C. All the angles are acute here. One example we can see here, that this is one example here. In a triangle we have 46, 63 and 71. 3 degrees are there. So what type of triangle it is? See, 46 is also less than 90, 63 also less than 90, 71 is also less than 90. That means all angle A, B, C are less than 90 degree. So this is an acute angle triangle. Okay, then we have our next triangle. Okay, that is obtuse angle triangle. We'll discuss our obtuse triangle. What is now obtuse angle triangle? So this is obtuse angle triangle. So an obtuse angle triangle is that triangle whose one angle is obtuse, that is greater than 90 degree, and the longest side is always opposite to the obtuse angle. Okay, if A is the obtuse angle here, then this is the longest side, this one here, this is the longest side. So you have to remember this. Okay, I have one question on this. We'll see this just now on this here. Question is saying that, is it possible for a triangle to have more than one obtuse angle? Is it possible? We know that the sum of total angle of a triangle is 180 degree, and if two angles are obtuse, that means both the angles are more than 90 degree, so together only they will make at least 90 plus 90. That means the third angle is equal to 0 degree, so which is not possible. So this is not possible that the sum of two angles will be 180 degree and the third angle is 0. So that triangle cannot exist here. So it is very right to say that a triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. That is, one angle can be more than 90 degree, but rest two will have to be acute. Okay, now we have one type of triangle that is called oblique triangle. What are oblique triangle? So an oblique triangle is that triangle which is not a right triangle, which is not a right triangle here. See, okay, so that is called obtuse, that is called oblique triangle. Very good. So in that, except right triangle, all are oblique triangles. Okay, now see here. Now we have equilateral triangle. So what are equilateral triangle? So we know that, I don't need to explain this. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is that type of triangle whose three angles are equal as well as three sides are also. Okay, these all things we have read from our childhood, but even then we have to revise here. So here is the triangle. See, in this triangle, each angle is 60 degree. See, and the length of each side is A, and A. So this is called an equilateral triangle. Okay, then we have one question based on this. Question is saying that, an equilateral triangle has one side measure 5 inch. What is the size of the angle opposite that side? This is an equilateral triangle, so size doesn't matter. Okay, the size doesn't matter for measuring the angle. We know that if it is, this word has come, equilateral, means whatever the size is of one side, the angles are always 60. Any angle in that triangle will be always 60 degree. So what is the size of the angle? Obviously that is equal to 60 degree. So this is, we have to understand every time. Okay, you don't give me the size, even then I can say the angle of an equilateral triangle is always and always, all the angles are 60 degree. Okay, then we have isosceles triangle. Okay, then we have isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Iso means two, and in this isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, and the angles opposite the equal sides are also equal, obviously. So in this figure here, this is the triangle. These two sides are equal. So obviously these two angles will be also equal. This is what it is written here. See, x and x. These two angles are equal when the sides are A and A. Okay. So this is called isosceles triangle. Okay. These all things we have read in our childhood, but even then we have to read in our this class 9. That's you can understand the importance of classes there. So now one question is based on this. Question is saying that an isosceles triangle has one angle of 96 degree. What is the size of the other two angles? Okay, so it is an isosceles triangle, so it will have two equal angles, and it is given that one angle is 96 degrees. So two angles cannot be 96 and 96. Otherwise, it will become 190 degree, 192 degree. So which is not possible only. Okay, so that means the pair of equal angles are less than 96. So in this type of question here, see, this is the question here, and this angle will be 96 degree, and these two sides will be equal. So we have to take these two as x and x. So we have taken here x plus 96 is equal to 1 degree. So 2x is equal to 84 degree. So x is equal to 42 degree. So the angles are here 42 degree. Okay, so this is how we used to find. We used to create. We used to find the angles, measurement of angles of triangle. Next class we'll learn something new. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.